Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Anarjajustam, not at all befitting a man who knows the progressive values of life. Aryan means who are progressive. So, this dejection of Arjuna in the battlefield is described as befitting a non-Aryan. Aryan, according to Aryan civilization, as described in the Bhagavad Gita, there are 4 divisions inaugurated by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. As we have already explained, Dharmantu Sakshat Bhagavatani, any systematic religious process is to be understood, it is given by God. Man cannot make any religious system. So, this Aryan system, progressive system, is Chaturvarnam Maya System Gunakarma Vibhaga. Krishna says it is introduced by me for very good management of the social order. Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. So, Arjuna belonged to the Kshatriya family, therefore his hesitation to fight in the battlefield is not befitting the Aryan. For the royal order to become non-violent, this is not good. The Kshatriyas, when they are fighting in the battlefield, the killing is not a sin for them. Similarly, a Brahmana, when he is offering sacrifice, sometimes animals are sacrificed. So, that does not mean that he is committing sin. This animal sacrifice was made not for eating the animal. It was for tasting the Vedic mantra. Whether the Brahmanas who were engaged in offering sacrifice, whether they were chanting the Vedic mantra in right way, that was tasted by offering one animal and again giving the animal a new youth life. That was animal sacrifice. Sometimes horses, sometimes cows were offered. But in this age, Kali Yuga, they are forbidden. Because there is no such Jagdik Brahma. All kinds of sacrifices are forbidden in this age. Ashamedham gavalambham sannyasam palapaitrikam devarena sutatpatti kalau pancha vivarjay. Ashamed sacrifice, Goved sacrifice, sannyas, and to get child by Deva, husband's younger brother. These things are forbidden in this age. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.